Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. Cardano has just broken out of a bull flag and we're going to take a look at that in this video. Also, we want to have a brief look at Bitcoin and Cardano, Bitcoin and Ethereum, because Ethereum is doing very well today as well. So let's take a look and start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin still facing a key resistance level up here at 63k. Didn't quite get above that yet, 63k. The next main one after that will be 63.5k, and I think that is the last one we really need to get to before we can move to new all-time highs. As I said before, at the moment there's still the possibility that we could come down in a sell-off once more based on the Elliott Wave method, where you have an ABC correction, and based on that it doesn't need to, based on the current developments, we haven't invalidated that possible pattern yet. Just want to keep it open as a scenario, but overall it's looking really good, really bullish, and that's what we can see at the moment. Can't really see the trend slowing down at the minute. So yeah, we're going to stick with it. So Bitcoin, I expect certainly another attempt to break through the 63k. We are currently forming a bullish pennant here, triangle pattern, after a move to the upside. So that could take us way higher above the 63.5k and could take us to a new all-time high if we really break through and have a major breakout from here. Right, where are we with Cardano then? So let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano is currently breaking out of a bull flag, and this is on the 1 hour chart, so it's not a massive breakout, but it is still important because we have just tried to break out of the, sorry, that was a dog if you heard him. We just tried a breakout out of that triangle, and I think it's not over yet. It has been rejected once, so we're going to take a look at that. So this is still the triangle within which we are trading. Did say this morning or yesterday that we were looking good. You know, we did have a bull flag here, pushed higher as well, and I said I expect an attempted breakout at around 225, and that's where we are. That's where we are now. So if we zoom in and take a look on the 1 hour chart, you can see it in a little bit more detail. What we had was basically this bull flag here, and I posted it in the Telegram channel as well for the channel members, that we had a very clear bull flag forming here after that move to the upside. Then you have that flagpole, the flagpole, and the actual flag in a descending channel, very well defined. And I did post it also in the Telegram group. Just before this breakout, we had like a breakout build-up phase, and obviously this is the hourly chart, but we could see on the shorter term time frame even, let's put this 30-minute on, that it was a bullish consolidation, really moving up, making higher lows here and getting close. Tried it once, failed in the next candle. We then did the breakout, and currently we've actually, in this candle on the 30-minute chart, we have tried to break above the resistance line of the triangle, that main triangle. So it's getting very interesting. I did say it's an interesting weekend, and we can see this, an engulfing green candle. So that's really looking good, and we have here on the 30-minute chart, at least now finally the ADX indicator going green, going higher as well, above 20. So that's a buy signal. Bear in mind it's only on the 30 minutes, so the higher the time frame, the more significant. Obviously the 30-minute is quite a low time frame, but yeah, we are moving up. Still have scope for further moves to the upside, also on the shorter term time frames. So that's looking good here on the 30-minute chart, also on the MACD. We just bring that in. We've made a bullish cross. So to be honest, on the shorter term time frame, that's looking really good. Also on the 1 hour, we have made a bullish cross here just today. On the 1 hour, we are already above the 20 line of the ADX, so it confirms the uptrend. And also we still have scope on the RSI to move further to the upside. We did bounce off the 50 line here, so that's good. Remain in the bullish territory, and yeah, I think that is the level we need to get through. 224, 225. That's where we want to get through that resistance level of that main triangle, and it looks like we're doing an attempted breakout now. Should that fail, which it looks like at the moment, but obviously this is only the 1 hour chart, so maybe there's another attempt. I can't see the volume at the moment. That's probably why it fails. We would want to see volume like here yesterday. No, sorry, yeah, that was yesterday. Well, we need to see some volume, so I can't really see the volume at the moment. It might break out, or it might do that attempted breakout now, because Ethereum is moving up as well, and we're going to take a look at that in a minute. But yeah, Cardano, it's due a breakout. but we just don't have the volume at the moment. It's due a breakout, and I did say that in the last few videos, because other cryptos are breaking out. It is normally moving after Ethereum, and normally when you're like 2/3 into a triangle, there will be a breakout. Now we are more than 2/3 in. We're getting quite close to the apex now, actually. But yeah, it's due. It's due, and maybe it will happen this weekend. So if it's not now, then maybe tomorrow or so, or later today. But it's looking good because we attempt these breakouts. We just need more volume here and there at the moment. So, but maybe, it's not over yet. Maybe we give it another go. We struggled a bit with 222, and now we're facing 224. So let's see. Oh, sorry, we struggled with 223, and now we're struggling with 224. So let's see. It's still looking good. If we drop back here, I think we'll find some support here at the support line of that descending channel, of that bull flag. So hopefully we'll find some support there and give it another go. But overall, looking nice at the moment. So here on the daily as well, we just open the daily. We can just see the tension building up here on the chart. And we are just at the tipping point. We're just at the 50 line. We haven't been that close yet before the last few days. So yeah, we are at the highest point in the last few weeks now on the RSI. Maybe just getting now above the 50 line on the daily, which in my view would be a buy signal as well. And the MACD coming up and looking good so far. So just a bit more patience, as we said. But yeah, maybe that will be the breakout now. So looking at Ethereum, that's looking good as well. Ethereum climbing up as well and moving towards all-time high territory. I did say before that the 4,000 level will be a critical one, as it's a psychological one. We're currently in this resistance zone. But again, similar to Bitcoin, we moved up and we seem to be doing something like a bullish triangle here, ascending triangle, not ascending triangle, a bullish pennant here, which is, that's probably what it is, a bullish pennant. We've got like a symmetrical triangle after a bullish move. So just a bullish consolidation here because we came on the 30-minute chart here into the overbought range. So don't make it very accurate here, just like that, so you can see it. And that might be very similar to Bitcoin, might lead to another push, maybe towards the 4,000, as we had a consolidation here as well. So let me take a look at the 1 hour chart, and on the 1 hour as well, you can see it on the RSI here, that we are in the bullish territory and close to overbought, not yet overbought. What we need to be careful of is, and I did spot it earlier today already, that this is currently slowing down a little bit. Yeah, we're making lower highs on the RSI where we made higher highs on the price. So, it's a bit of it is a bearish divergence. So it's just something to be aware of, that, the uptrend is slowing down, which is, to be honest, to be expected when we are getting to these strong resistance levels at around $4,000. I mean, that's a significant one. So you can also see that here that we had quite a steep trend to the upside and now it's slowed down a little bit. So the buyers have increasing difficulty to push the price higher. But let's see, we're still making higher highs and it's looking okay at the moment. Finding support here at this moving average. And if I go to the daily, just need to adjust that. I think on the daily looking good as well. On the daily we are now getting into the, or not yet quite into the overbought range. So yeah, we have probably enough scope to the upside to do another attempt of the $4,000, and that would push probably Cardano up as well. Hopefully, as I always hope, when Ethereum is starting to go through to new highs, then normally Cardano follows, normally with a 2-week delay, but that's pretty much due now, because that is what Ethereum has started to do like a couple of weeks ago. So Cardano is now really do that move to the upside, and let's just see what's happening. I hope that might be the breakout now, and but to be honest, and that's the problem, to be honest, you want to have it low so you can buy more, but obviously people want to see the price go up. It's just psychological, isn't it? So if you have every other crypto go up and just Cardano not, there's a few others who don't go up as well at the moment, like Bitcoin. But if you have every other crypto go up, just Cardano not, people get nervous, even though and then people say they've lost money actually. The thing is though, I would argue that many people who say they've actually lost money because they have invested in Cardano, well, would they really have sold the other ones at the top? You know, that's always what I mean. And also, do you really just want to trade short term, or do you actually want to hold them long term? That's the thing, because Cardano's time will come, it will catch up anyway. So in my view, it's not a problem. You know, it's doing what it's supposed to be doing, and it's lagging behind Ethereum as usual. Nothing spectacular here. So we're just waiting for that breakout, and we're very close to a breakout here. If it fails, don't worry, there'll be another attempt. So I think if it fails, you know, we could overall here on the daily, we could drop down again to that 213 line, I guess, once more, and then maybe give it another go later next week, maybe, yeah, or even tomorrow or in the next few days. But we're getting close. That apex is pretty much 25th, 26th of October. That's when the decision needs to come. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.